All right. So after a long break, I'm doing some plugins. Right now we're going back and create element transfer. So someone is asking me to create a. I already released one to create the source code for this because as a promise when I upload this as free plugins, I'm gonna share the source code, but um instead of sharing my existing source code, we're gonna make a new one. So this is for a chance for tutorial as well. How I manage debugging and doing some stuff. But right now, instead of creating from template that we've made from a um, recent what do you call this recent tutorials. Then right now, we're just gonna pull them. Make sure they don't have it here. Element transfer, yeah, it's only dev. But this is the one that I have existing. So we're gonna clone this one. Clone repo. Make sure you're not in the Unreal projects. Anyway, I made a lot of this channel, and not just for plugin and stuff. You can see a lot of things here, like in different game engines, maybe like modding hacks and stuff. Not really cheating, here repo, select your repo folder, right? Okay, so not dev, we just clone this one. But for you, maybe different. It's you're not okay. So right now here, what I'm gonna do is this is my dev. Just remove this one. Uh, one more thing. Let's go to our template because we're gonna start from the scratch, right? So here, right click, show in Explorer. We're just gonna copy paste all of this, but we're gonna pick not this one, not the license. Git ignore. Git ignore here. Yeah, I think we should not the source code. No VC package. Not your v git because it will generate build output config. We can copy that because that's included to our project. Git ignore, yeah, I think it's been ignored already. So we can copy paste all that. It's been set up, what I mean. So here, let's check. Let's just double check. Yeah, this is just a draft for Visual Studio, I think. We can just override that one. For your Git, of course, that's your Git file, so you don't override those things. So one more time, output, we're building it. When we build this one, is automatically get installed when you run or build your project. We're gonna copy paste all of this. Okay. I didn't copy paste here, which is my dev mode, because as you can see all everything there, like my password and stuff. Because I used to develop in my live server, that's why it's everything is there. I wish they have like env files, and I'm recording this like a live thing. I'm not editing anything, so yeah. Element transfer. Anyway, one info for this plugin. Um, as you know, that Art doesn't allow element transfer across clusters or your servers maps. They don't allow it because you need to gather your own element in that map by killing boss and crafting them in your if you are in aberration, right? You could do like transfer element by DOS. I think we do have DOS, right? Because existing has been released. I mean, existing extinction has been released already. So you have DOS that can be transferred across the map, but it's still, there's a lot of work for you um, right now. So to solve that, we're gonna make some plugins just to, you know, let's see, edit notepad as well. This guy plug in. Maybe ASAAPI. What's our name? Plugins, right? Plugins, and then dash. And then once, no, it's okay. It's like this. Okay, not underscore. Just making it a uniform. Okay. Then length. So we don't need to edit anything there. Right here. Um, I'll lose my guide anyway. But let's try to um do it once again. Yeah, as I promised, I want to make like automation in this thing, so we don't really need to do it every time we create a template. Template should be easy to do. Like, just enter your project and then transfer, right? And then just do coding. But right here, we're doing like a lot of things like renaming stuff, and actually you don't need to do this because you only need the output file just to publish. But it might get, but you try, might get some issues there. Plug in, plug in. Well, that's about it. You can close those, then plug in info, plug in template, and change that. Plugin template.h, plugins template, AsaAPI plugins template, uh, plugins element transfer, plugin template. Else here AsaAPI plugins element, make sure it's all big letter. Element. I hope I don't have any plugin info, plugin plugins. This is my run command. I mean build commands. I think we're done here. Save it, close, and then transfer plugins template. This need to be element transfer. Then here plugins the template element transfer. I think that's it. We're gonna rename some files here like this plugins plugin temp. Oh no, here I cannot double click with that. Doing it manually. Highlight them, and then like this. You can skip this one, this part of the video, because this one is so boring. Anyway, you get used to it. You need to be get used to boring stuff, because programming is really like a boring stuff, right? Public. If you do it properly when you run this, yeah, I think everything is okay. So when you run this, you should be good to go. For example, let me show you element transfer, right? So you can see element transfer have been changed and the project name has been changed. The CPP file, the header file, like about right here. And then when you double click them, make sure you change the namespace. But if you want to, it's okay. Plugin template, template initialize. To be sure, plug in that, right? You can find entire solution and then just enter this guy. No, 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 no. No, not enter, because it will search the next. Find all, okay? Find all, and then it will show up down here. I wish I can make it more larger. Plugin template, make sure element transfer, table name, element transfer. This one, the dev, this is my credentials. It's okay if you can see this because I can just delete them, you know. This is not my production bot and my key. And just use it everywhere. But don't use it, you know. Make your own. I believe that I have tutorial that how can you make your own bot. So you can do it. Just close this one, close that one. We're done there. And next iteration dev, are we here? Okay. Plugin DB settings, yeah, because this plugin is for. Actually, you don't need this because we're gonna overwrite them later on if we are done. But you know, what you could do as well, like make a drop down here, plugin template, right? Make sure you're using plugin template, and then we know that we want to change them all, right? So we have 79 occurrences replaced. So when we try to get here, this should replace by now because we already replaced them, right? So yeah, everything is fine. So we don't need to do it one by one because it's too many. Okay. So to start this, let's just close everything, yeah, just to make it cleaner. Okay. Your CPP, this is my habit, you know, like this one, CPP and header file. Make sure you are in vertical. And what to do the all everything header is right here and the CPP is right here. Okay, so you can see them side by side. Sometimes I do the double one, but I forget how can I do that. I think it's right about here, like new window with elements transfer. So because um if your file getting bigger, sometimes you need to make a reference or something and while working on this, so you could do that as well. Okay, so plug in DB template, change that, element, uh, transfer DB. Okay, just to make it uniform. Last message ID, we don't need that. Definitely request, do we need that? I think no, because we're not doing some API requests from this thing unless you wanna extend your element transfer. Um, uh, oh yes. Yeah, I think we're gonna use this because someone requested that they want to have a reports or like logs when someone is uploaded. They uploaded a yeah. I'm sorry. Sorry, I just yawned a big one. Okay, I told you this is a boring stuff, right? Just me bored. Okay, um, API request. What we're gonna do is reporting some stuff. Let's say you upload or you download, it will report it to Discord. So whenever because I'm receiving reports as well that it gets disconnect excessively in my SQL, but I haven't tried. Maybe she got a problem with um security on her MySQL, that like connection. Yeah, because what I'm doing in my connection, let me show you this. Maybe it's been here. Like I'm using like external, but you can definitely use localhost if you want. But I think you need to do run as administrator your server, so don't block anything within local net. Even local network connection can block your MySQL queries. You know that. Okay, but she haven't get back to me in that case. So maybe it fixed, or maybe they figure out what's wrong, or maybe they stop using my plugin. Right. Okay. So what else? So maybe we'll get back to that. What you're gonna do is read config. We're gonna match our config first. Maybe opening it right here. Um, close all the messages. Because right now I have existing messages from the. Because I put it right here. I put it. Maybe I'll change this instead. Because yeah, might confuse people, right? So I'm gonna change this anyway. Okay. So what we're gonna do here? Uh, hmm. We can send Discord, right? But that's for later. We can minimize this one. Minimize permission group. We need room. Oh yeah, if you wanna use permissions, right? Okay. Um, what we do have here? Permission point log in. Okay, so if they don't use, we will have some first. We will have some. We allow people that don't use permission groups, like here, permission. If that falls right, of course, no, no permission points DB set. So if the people doesn't have points or permission, um, just allow them. Just gonna paste this. Allow upload anywhere, which is you can upload anywhere in the map instead of because I have some restrictions here that you can only upload elements when you are in upload area, which is the not area. You need to access the terminal and then or any kind of drops. Let's say drops, you can upload element there as well, right? So I'm only restricting that thing, or maybe only on OB. Okay. I'll allow download anywhere. So whenever they spawn, they can just download. Maybe we can make automatic. I don't want to put automatic, but we can put it as an option because maybe allow auto down. Okay. Because this is so dangerous, you know that? Because, well, let's, for example, a really basic example or like common example, when you spawn and you just saw a Dilo or maybe a Raptor, you died instantly, right? Like while loading, while doing some wake up animation, and the raptor's killing you, or before we have like um raptor has stand. I don't know if it's Still stunning until now because I haven't seen Raptor for a while. Um, yeah, and then you can move anything. You can move, and when this one trigger, the element it will be um in your inventory, and you don't have anything. I mean, if you spawn again, you will spawn randomly, And also, one more thing. Yeah, one more thing. If you are downloading auto download this and your inventory is so full, and sometimes it didn't read your inventory right away and you download automatically, maybe there's a timer for, let's say, 10 seconds or 5 seconds, maybe. Maybe that's download. uh, so maybe 5 seconds before it automatically down. It depends on you. If you zero, that's so really really dangerous because you might lose your um you might lose your thing, right? We're gonna work on this later on. Okay, allow download same map. So for example, you are uploading it and, oh, I changed my mind, I want to download it again, then it will download. Okay. um Later on we're gonna work on this. We're gonna add permission, certain, like, basically same as this, just for, uh, sometimes you allow, add on, and for example VIP only have like this kind of stuff, right? And the other default players doesn't have. They need to go to, it's like a perks. uh they need to go to obelisk or, drops, something like that. Okay. What else? I'm gonna do some commands. um, upload upload cmd, then download. Or maybe we can make another, check upload, right? So if you wanna check your uploaded element right there, and check limit. Okay. Yeah, I made this just now because, this is one for if you're not, limit upload down, right? But later on, we're gonna have some perks for VIP, for example. They have a different limits. That's really good to addition, right? And then Discord bot, we're gonna use this to report our uploads and stuff. Okay. If you wanna report your commands as well, it's up to you. We're gonna remove this. So we're not gonna use this one. This is just the template from before. Okay. Actually, we're not using this and this debug tree, but I put it anyway just to have a general thing there. We're not using it, to be honest, because, general. Do we have a general here? Maybe I'll put some later on, like for notification and stuff, right? Let's see. Yeah, we can just use this one. Oops. Notification display time, notification text size. Okay. I hope I don't forget everything. Okay, so since, this is just specifically for element transfer, right? So I have this mine here. Maybe we put it in array element bp bp bp. Okay. then make it array. Oh no, because some some elements are different. For example, the extinction element and arc IDs. We go to arc IDs. Item. I'm gonna show you element. There's a unstable element, but it's you're not gonna use that. I think this one is not transferable as well. You can add this if you want to. But for now, we stick on element. Like here, they have two kinds of element, which is the element from power node when you craft those, and if you want to transfer them. So right now we're gonna copy paste the blueprint, uh, minimize this and add it from here, right? So you have option to use a mods too, modded element if you have the BP. Okay. What else do we need to? Our commands we haven't checked. Okay. Then upload. I'm, I'm pretty sure you don't have upload commands in your in your existing plugins, but you can check, right? Then check lim. Make it simpler. You change it. Okay. Repair item points error message, which is this one is maybe I'll change this one as well. Permission error message. Okay. You don't have permission to use this command. Alright. So the rest is general. This is general actually. That's why I changed it. I wish I changed it um to our template, but I haven't changed those. Okay, I'm just gonna copy paste a lot of things here from my old code. No points, no permission. We're not gonna use that. So we already have it up there. Anyway, you can have line break here, like spaces, so you don't. Same map not allowed. We can use it. Terminal required. Download error. Load error. All error message. We can just put it right here. I just want to make sure that it's all big, just to make it uniform. Discord sender. Discord sender name. Name. Okay. Upload message success. This is the success one. Upload limit. No element. What element? No element. No uploaded element. No. No available slot. Yes, this might trigger. Because if you are full, download message, upload message, or upload message. Sure, they are upload, upload, download, upload limit, message. They're not uniform. Because this is a rapid development. Terminal required message. Okay. Same message. No available slot, no element. Upload limit. If you have reached server maximum upload limit. No upload, no available. Find nearest upload terminal. Download the same map is now allowed. Okay. Um, I wonder if I can make this one. I wish I can make like embed. Short and bed. And okay. We'll make it. This one is so big, that could be big one. But that's a message. Maybe we can put it on Discord bot right here. Okay, because that's not a really message. Message. Okay, make sure we use everything. We're gonna check them one by one later on. Okay, so we have that. We don't have permission yet. We'll do it later. Well, anyway, I'll add it now. We copy everything since um we do have everything as admin, right? Not commands. Wait. Uh, no permission. Where are you? No permission. Okay, so our CMD, which is upload, right? Upload CMD enabled through costs, which is we are admin. We're not gonna put costs in there. Comma, then this one. Allow true automatic download timer. If we allow them, maybe for now not, and we'll do it later. We don't have upload limit. You can download anywhere. Okay, I think that's it for our command because we're gonna use for now we're gonna use permission and later on we're gonna turn it off then just to try this no permission DB settings. Okay, going to this guy, element transfer cpp. Okay, starting, make sure we do have element transfer repair items at H. We're gonna delete those, remove, and oh no, actually we can use it. No, just delete them. Delete. Okay, make sure it's deleted right here. Oh no, close your template so you might mess it up. Oh, we don't have it here, right? In the H. Okay, so right now, we need to have element transfer that H. Okay, this is just a single element, so we don't need that repair that H. That's why I remove it. Because we can put everything in our like commands and utilities because this is a single. You only do that if you have like a different kinds of plugin within your project, like repair and like transfer or whatsoever. you know okay, so right now, um what we're gonna do here, read config, yeah, load database, and then add and remove command reload. We're not gonna use let's just reload. It's okay, just making it sure that they're all in line. So we're not doing anything here and then transfer initialize. It's all good. So we go to our commands. Okay, our add and remove commands. Right now we have like oh, okay, that's why we need the element transfer. We can put the no, this is commands. I was thinking if I put element transfer, maybe yeah, this one. Okay, add. Sorry about this. Oh, transfer web page. Because I don't need if I use element transfer it mess up. Okay. So header files add existing items and then source transfer. Okay, go back to our CPP files where we remove um, everything there. Just replace it to transfer. Okay, a big breed. Uh, element transfer the page. We include this guy, so we put it here on the side. Transfer. Okay. Um, upload element. This is just the callback. I'm just gonna leave it empty for now. Page user controller player controller f string. We're not gonna use that. Okay. Um, then of course we can just copy paste this to just change it to down. How many commands did you have? One thing. I think four, right? Because we need to do check and checklist. So another copy paste here and copy paste here. Check element, check limit. You can just remove element, check element, that's okay, check limit. Okay. So we have four commands right here. To make this simpler, we can just make PC. PC. Okay. Um, Great. What's next? We include them. We go to your commands. Go back there. um, just gonna remove this guy. What's your command then? Our command is upload. So upload element and your commands upload cmd commands load cmd and then copy paste the f string there. Prepare items, not that one. Then the callback, right? Go back to transfer. Then what you could do, this is callback already. We understand that's the callback, right? Am I doing it wrong? Why it's not doing it? Let me go back. Yeah, that's correct, but oh, it's the same as this. Now we can do this. So the thing don't confuse, okay? Or what you can do is add cmd in this. So you know that string is for string variable is for command, right? Anyway, we just go copy paste there like 4 times. Yes, we do have four. Okay, four commands. download, download, check element, check limit, alright? And then to save you time, since you open the this one already, put it there, copy paste. This is a lot of copy pasting. Okay. Then after that, what else? The command, of course. Don't miss that. It's gonna surprise later. Oh man, I did wrong here. Check upload and here up top to download. Okay, great. So upload element that's wrong. Change your variable. Don't forget that. Copy paste here. Paste and paste. Paste and paste and paste. Okay, just double check. Okay, a quick double check. Then minimize those. Check element. Check element. Check element. Check element. Check element. Okay, I think we're good. So we did our command. This one install command in your server or your chat commands. Okay. And then what's our next thing? Maybe we write our first upload. Our upload thing. Maybe we go start in the simpler one. Just check element. Okay. Or well, hmm, I was thinking that to start with that thing first. Hmm. Upload that. Check element. Okay. Of course, we need our um. Wait. Uh, give me a moment here. Is that our source? Oops, I did the wrong hotkey. I think the last time we did, I'm just gonna have some reference to that thing. Maybe it's on desktop. Anyway, I'm not using my ASAAP. I should put this in the s- this make for you, or in your case, you're using API in your environment. For me, I put it in the wrong place. That's why I'm going to close. So save it first, of course, and then paste it right here in my desktop. Paste, dude. Okay, so this one should uh, locate and then desktop. Because our environment, as you can see here, I have ASAAPI right here. It's on my desktop, and it was made for any plugin that I'm gonna make in the future. So right here, I put it right here so we can use that connection to our API headers, right? But for you, you might already make them set up. Okay, I'm gonna open it again. Then open my Score George. Mhm. Where's my template? I'm gonna open my template anyway. Because I deleted I'm so dummy. I deleted our, the repair item.h. I wish I could delete that so we can use that for our fast thing. Okay. If you want to, I'm just gonna put some blogs here. But you could definitely do like auto dev and element transfer debug, right? What we're gonna do? What's our debug? Debug, debug, debug. What document? Why I open? I'm just gonna do it manually. Okay, element transfer. If I can save time, but then makes me do a lot of things instead of typing it manually. Element transfer, right? If was think above that value element transfer equals to true. Make sure you have it because uh, you don't. You just make sure this I think this value has a value if you don't put true in it. But this one is wrong. Maybe we get um this one element transfer but get bool, right this. And in this way you can just straight make it if else right there. Okay, make sure you tab this one if you do want like without curly braces. So we're gonna use this one thing um you could do in your age right here, or the moment that you read where you going, reload here, read, I think it's on utils. In your utils, if you're using my template, read read config, right? In your read config, since we're this one, what you could do is debug. Yeah, here. Not in general, because we're gonna remove that one and replace our debug so we don't write it, you know, always is debug. Then we're gonna add more debug stuff for these two. Just copy paste this one. Two more. This firm debug is points debug. So we can see if we are, in your transfer H. No, not that. Utils can put firm and then points. Permission and points. Okay. So we have those important things. Hmm. Uh, so here is debug right here, right? So, but we're using in space, that's why it's kind of longer. What's next? We're going to check. We have already code here, permission, right? But um, all right. Just us for to proceed, cause it's been already 1 hour. Okay, I'm not gonna do just yet here. Maybe at the end of the day, everything. Yeah, this one, no permission, right? Because our purpose, usually you want to use this with permission, as you don't want to everyone to use your commands. It's like same as kidding. Okay, so use them. And this one is to check. I wish I could put this element transfer. I wish I could put everything in one function. Maybe you can put this in your utils, so you could save. Oh yeah, you can do that, right? Utils. Or maybe you go up here. Um, void. Do we need void? This we're gonna return until what? We still need to return our what? Right? Yes. Because we need this. I wish I have some like commands that if I can return or what or proceed, continue without using another if else statement, right? It's just like a one line function. Uh, Maybe we stick for this. We're not gonna use anything for now. It's just the same thing. It will make me to do some if else again. But yeah, that's a simple one, right? Okay, maybe bool. Um, check permission. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is actually we just need the EOS ID. Okay. Mm, no, we don't. We need the PC, a player controller. PC. Okay, and then right here, if this not return false, and then return true, right? So it gives you the notification as well because we are passing player controller, and right here, if it will be called and then if false, add exclamation point in the first and then return like that, right? And for your PC, you just remove the type and just like that, make it cleaner, right? Okay, same thing. So you just remove everything from here because it's messed. Okay. Points checking. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Maybe same, right? Full point. Checkpoints. Okay. I already have do this, the checking, somewhere here, but they don't have like a user checking or a function points checking, right? Because I already have this. Um, yeah, just pause our video and then you can just write everything. But if you have the template, you already have those things. Oh, did I cut it from my template? I cut this from my template. So what we need here, same thing, a PC. Anyway, we haven't done any checks, right? If your PC is null template, I mean null pointer, you will crash your server if you do that. But I haven't experienced those kind of things because this one is like absolute. So when you type, you are online or you are there, right? One more thing. We do have declare the command here, but it's required from here. And everything goes down later. Oh yeah, this is bad. We do need to uh, yeah, we do need those. Maybe we use pair. Get US from. That's why I declared this up there because we need those. Hmm. This is so nice. Yeah, I didn't realize we need this. Maybe just leave it there. Oh man, my bad. I don't want to make some, more hassle to my life. Well, we gonna stick to what we've done before. Yeah, we place the namespace right there and right there, and that's it. If you're seeing this mess, you just make sure that I wish it's like Python that you can return two values, like for example, bool in then function like that, and then when you return, then you will receive like um, for example, my var1 and my var2 equals then the function. Something like that, right? Because your function returns two values. So for example, your def function and then inside of it will return um this one and so two, something like that in Python, and then you will receive it like this. Well, but it's not Python, it's C++, so we need to write everything down, right? Not everything. You have copy paste. All right. So